Arrested on a drug charge? Is it your first offense? I'll tell you what to do right after this. Hi, I'm Ryno Benore of Ryno Law PLLC. If you're in trouble, get Ryno. If you've been arrested for a controlled substance or otherwise known as a drug offense, you have some options. If it is your first offense and you are not charged with a delivery of a controlled substance or some other charges, but just simply a possession or a use, you may qualify for what is known as Section 7411, 333.7411 of the Michigan Compiled Laws. In Michigan, this is commonly called Section 7411 because we don't feel like saying Michigan Compiled Laws 333.7411 over and over during the day. What 7411 gives to you is the chance to be put on a deferred sentence. And what that means is you would plead guilty to a charge that qualifies under Section 7411, and the court would hold that plea in abeyance or not accept the plea. If they make a decision to put you on Section 7411, what would happen is you normally go on a period of probation. If you successfully complete that probation and do not violate, the charge goes away and you have no conviction. If, however, you violate your probation, the court could decide, based on that violation alone, to not allow you to stay on Section 7411 and actually formally accept that guilty plea. There are several benefits to Section 7411, and those are, number one, no drug conviction. Further, most people don't understand that if you're convicted of a drug charge in the state of Michigan, the Secretary of State will suspend your driving privileges based off of that conviction, and that's mandatory. Now, sometimes after a certain period of time, you can get a restricted driving license from the court, but that is subject to each individual judge. That is not a guarantee that you will get that. Another positive is if you're convicted of a felony, that cannot be used as a habitual offender later on. However, keep in mind that even though that case was deferred, it could still count towards your sentencing guidelines when calculating those. It just can't be used as a habitual offender that deals with felony sentencing. If you could do me a favor, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications of when further videos come out. Also, please comment below if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to answer them when I see them come up on YouTube. So, 7411 is one option you have on handling a drug case. There are some other options out there, and we'll talk about that in later videos. So if you have a drug case, you have a drug case in the state of Michigan, feel free to contact me at www.getryno.com, and you can get a hold of me there, and I'd be happy to take a look at your case and talk with you about the different options I think that we can do on your case. I'm Ryno Benore of Ryno Law PLLC. If you're in trouble, get Ryno.